Hi guys, today with you I'm Haitin. I like to say something to YouTube. You fucking okay, I accept this and I be less with jokes. I don't know.
Just think of a joke.
Today I saw this video and I like to play with shit. Oh no, my god, commercials. I fucking hate this.
Just came out here to beatbox for the LGBTQ plus community.
Yeah.
You want to hear it?
Yeah, go ahead.
I hate.
I am a guy, normal guy. I don't joke about this.
I hate.
Omega, I miss because it's woman. I don't bite the women's. Okay. But okay, woman can hurt me. Okay, it's unrealistic. Fuck. How commercials in this game? I'm fucking love guys in this game suck. Oh, perfect. What? It was perfect. How it works? I don't know. Fuck me, please. Really, in this game, man's so fucking weak.
Hey! A man is being fucked over by his local government in Lego City. Build the Killdozer. Destroy the town hall. Get your revenge. The new Lego City Killdozer.
Fuck. Oh no. One. It's my last hope. Okay. Try this. Remember what Master teach you? What I don't have 4 friends to fuck his ass. Okay, maybe not. Yeah.
You guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom.
Fuck. Okay. She again. I can. She has a more health. Fuck this. Okay. Good.
Jesus was killed because people didn't like what he was saying, so could you call him the first celebrity victim of cancel culture?
Don't chill.
Me, Carl, chill.
It's hard game. Fuck that.
Uh-oh, Richard.
Fuck this. Okay. Perfect. Up. Learn from me how to sleep. I sleep a lot of Fake. Oh, I can say these words. Okay. Fuck. I want only health. Okay. Fucking GigaChat Sigmas. I fucking hate you all. Hate you all. Okay, I have friends. Little, but I have little like my like Asian. I'm also so fucking fuck.
Fuck you, police.
Fuck the police!
Suck my dick.
Suck my dick!
Suck my pussy.
Okay, so we play this game. Maybe you put like, and maybe you like me, and maybe you like my channel. So put like, comment, subscribe, and see you in next week. I don't know, maybe in next day, because YouTube banned me and I can make a lot of videos. Bye.